Welcome to Shadow Nexus. Today we're diving into a story that feels like it was ripped straight from a sci-fi thriller. The time scientists nearly turned Jurassic Park into reality. Picture a world where dinosaurs once again thunder across the land, not in CGI-filled blockbusters, but in real life. Thanks to some bold, bizarre, and downright mind-bending attempts to resurrect extinct species. From woolly mammoths trampling through the tundra to flocks of passenger pigeons darkening the skies once more, scientists have been on a relentless mission to reverse the course of history. But before you start practicing your T-Rex escape run, buckle up, because this scientific adventure is as wild as it is mind-blowing. We're peeling back the layers of quirky experiments, ethical minefields, and unexpected roadblocks that come with playing nature's ultimate game of trial and error. What really happens when you try to resurrect a creature that vanished thousands of years ago? Spoiler alert. It's not all triumphant roars and majestic dino parades, so join us as we untangle the past, explore the future, and uncover the shocking reality behind these ambitious experiments. Will we witness a real-life Jurassic Park in our lifetime? Or is it just a prehistoric pipe dream? Let's dig in and find out. The science behind resurrection. Let's dig into the fascinating scientific principles and technologies that underpin the attempts to bring extinct species back to life. At the heart of these efforts is DNA extraction, where scientists meticulously retrieve genetic material from preserved specimens. This DNA serves as the blueprint for cloning, a process that has gained traction thanks to advancements in technology. By using techniques like CRISPR, researchers can edit genes and potentially create living replicas of long-lost species. However, it's not all smooth sailing in the world of de-extinction. Ethical considerations loom large, raising questions about the implications of resurrecting species. Should we bring back creatures that once roamed the earth? And what impact would they have on current ecosystems? These are critical discussions that scientists and ethicists are grappling with. Notable figures in this field, like George Church and Beth Shapiro, have made significant contributions pushing the boundaries of what's possible. Their work not only highlights the potential of de-extinction, but also sparks a broader conversation about our responsibility toward nature. So, buckle up as we explore the science and ethics of resurrecting the past. Historical attempts at de-extinction. Let's take a stroll down memory lane and delve into the historical context of de-extinction efforts, where scientists have embarked on some ambitious and sometimes hilarious projects. One of the most notable is the quest to resurrect the woolly mammoth. Researchers have been extracting DNA from frozen specimens found in Siberian permafrost, hoping to create a hybrid by combining mammoth genes with those of the Asian elephant. Imagine a furry elephant with a penchant for cold weather. However, not all attempts have been smooth sailing. The infamous Pyrenean ibex project aimed to bring back this extinct goat species, but the first cloned individual died shortly after birth. And who could forget the time scientists accidentally created a genetically modified mouse with a human ear on its back? While it wasn't exactly a de-extinction success, it certainly gave everyone a good laugh. These historical attempts remind us that while the science is fascinating, the journey is often filled with unexpected twists and turns. So, let's explore the successes, failures, and amusing mishaps that have shaped the world of de-extinction. Jurassic Park. Fact versus fiction. Jurassic Park has captivated audiences for decades, but how much of it aligns with real-life scientific endeavors? The film introduced us to the thrilling concept of genetic engineering, sparking public fascination and fear about the possibilities of resurrecting dinosaurs. While the movie painted a picture of a fully operational dinosaur theme park, the reality is far more complex and nuanced. Creating a real-life Jurassic Park scenario is not as straightforward as simply extracting dinosaur DNA from amber. In fact, the chances of finding viable DNA from creatures that went extinct millions of years ago are slim to none. Scientists are currently focused on resurrecting more recently extinct species, like the woolly mammoth, which presents its own set of challenges. Moreover, Hollywood often dramatizes the consequences of genetic manipulation, leading to exaggerated fears about playing God. In reality, the scientific community is deeply aware of the ethical implications and ecological risks involved in de-extinction. So while Jurassic Park may thrill us with its action-packed sequences, the truth is that the science behind it is far more grounded and a lot less explosive. Future possibilities and challenges. As we look ahead, the future of de-extinction is both exciting and fraught with challenges. Scientists are eyeing several potential candidates for resurrection, including the woolly mammoth, the Tasmanian tiger, and even the dodo bird. Each of these species presents unique opportunities to explore the limits of genetic engineering and cloning technologies. However, successful de-extinction will require significant technological advancements. Techniques like CRISPR, gene editing, and advanced cloning methods must be refined to ensure that resurrected species can thrive in modern environments. It's not just about bringing them back. It's about making sure they can adapt and survive in ecosystems that have changed dramatically since their extinction. Moreover, the ecological implications of reintroducing extinct species cannot be overlooked. Will these species disrupt current ecosystems or compete with existing wildlife? The balance of nature is delicate, and introducing a resurrected species could have unforeseen consequences. As we venture into this brave new world of de-extinction, it's crucial to weigh the scientific possibilities against the ethical and ecological responsibilities we hold. The future is bright, but it requires careful navigation to ensure we don't repeat past mistakes. Conclusion. As we wrap up our exploration of the bizarre true story behind attempts to resurrect extinct species, it's clear that the journey is as fascinating as it is complex. From the woolly mammoth to the passenger pigeon, scientists have embarked on ambitious projects that blend humor and science in unexpected ways. We've seen how DNA extraction and cloning technologies are at the forefront of these efforts, while also acknowledging the ethical and ecological challenges that come with playing God. The intersection of humor and science reminds us that while the quest for de-extinction is serious, it can also lead to some amusing mishaps and quirky anecdotes. Whether it's a genetically modified mouse with a human ear or the dramatic twists of Hollywood, the world of de-extinction is anything but dull. If you enjoyed this journey into the past and future of de-extinction, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more intriguing content. Like this video and share it with your friends to keep the conversation going. We'd love to hear your thoughts on what species you think should be brought back next.